First, let's talk about how you can use AI to present slides. So I don't know if you've ever had to worry about creating an entire presentation, but you only had outlines or notes, because that's what I've always worried about. Well, there is an AI tool that can help you.
So I'm going to show you something called slidesai.io, and this is what it looks like. It's actually not a separate software. As you can see, I just installed it as an extension in Chrome, and I'm using Google Slides when I open up this extension in Google Slides, and it gives me a little prompt. And what I've done beforehand is I had this script that I'm just going to copy and paste into this prompt. I'm going to tell it that I want an educational slide, maybe set of 10 slides. I want it to be in English. Oh, and they have themes. I'm going to choose a theme. And right after I select the theme that I want it to look like, it right away populates for me the slides with words, and not just words, but graphics that match each of my slides. And you can see in the upper right-hand corner that I'm searching for graphics to replace the one it chose, because maybe I want PPE to talk about gloves and tools. And if there's something that I don't like, I can edit it just like you normally do in a slide.
So that is slidesai.io. You can enter text, and this tool will create an entire presentation for you. One of my biggest fears is waking up realizing that I had a presentation that day and I was not prepared. I think many of us probably had that, where we're like, oh my God, and then you wake up and your nightmare is over, but that happens all the time. Well, here's something that I wanted to share with you that can help you, even if you just had a thought.
So if you had a topic and you had to present that day on a training that you weren't prepared for, go to Tome. So Tome looks like this. It's a basic website. You don't need any special tools. You basically just go and create something new and you give it a topic. So let's just say I'm going to give it a topic called Artificial Intelligence for Risk Management. Literally about 5 words, Artificial Intelligence for Risk Management. And you can see it's creating a presentation for me. It's creating an outline. It's populating it with words just based on my short set of words, creating not just a presentation, but you can see it starting to add graphics. And what's different about Tome is it's creating it's creating generative artificial intelligence graphics. So this is original art. It's using something called DALL-E that based on your words, it's gathering and synthesizing images and creating new things that match your slides. And if there's anything that I don't like, you can see I can select on the right a little drop down and just type in words to describe what I want to see on the slide. And then when I click on generate, like I entered depict a university administrator worried about artificial intelligence, after I generated it, I can select any of those different graphics and it'll go ahead and create a brand new slide with the brand new image that it created from scratch.
So that's Tome. If you had an idea, if you had a thought, enter one sentence and Tome will create original outline, information, and images and artwork for you. Pretty cool. So now you can sleep later and not be prepared.